Here are the instructions for fitting the Clever chair to a firm wall. This is the hanging bracket. You'll need a spirit level to mark the wall . Next, you need to drill holes in the firm wall with a masonry bit . Once those are drilled, you need to use the required and included in the pack raw plugs and screws. Once your holes are drilled, you can now fit the anchoring plate to hold the Clever chair. There, nice and firm and ready to hold the Clever chair. There are two more screws to help balance the Clever chair, and they are behind this panel, which is held on by two screws, two Phillips screws which you can undo and access the two anchoring points. Behind that panel are the two holes for anchoring the Clever chair. So, once fitted to the main bracket, you can mark the holes for the lower anchoring points. These two will need to be drilled and plugged and screwed. So once the lower holes are drilled and it's fitted, you just have the cover plate to put on. And that too is held by two screws. And once you've screwed the lower cover, there are two little plugs to hide the screw heads. And these fit quite easily into the hole. And there you go, Clever chair.